How to log in into your Chromebook. When you open your Chromebook at home for the first time, you might get this window. This is where you can select and connect to your home internet. When you find yours, click on it and type the password. You can also click on the eye icon for better visibility. Password is case sensitive, and to write in capital letters in a Chromebook, you can hold down the Shift key. Once you enter the password, you can go ahead and click connect. Please verify you are connected correctly to the internet by clicking on the status tray. Here you will be able to check the name of the network you're connected to. You can go ahead and click next. You will be prompted to enter your credentials. Enter your username by putting your school ID number first, then writing @sd.bbsd.org. After putting your username, you will insert your password. The default password for all students is their 8-digit birthday, which is 2 digits for your month, 2 digits for the day, and 4 digits for the year. Once you've put all that information in, you can go ahead and click sign in. Your school's website should open automatically as soon as you log in. If you're having any difficulties signing in, please contact your school Chrome Care Center or Student Help Desk at studenthelp@bbsd.org or by phone at 815-372-6988. Thank you.